Hey everyone, Kavon from Sony's custom install team here, and today we're going to be going over the BRAVIA 7 with the new Leon frame and some of the differences between the first iteration with the X93L and this new iteration. Let's go ahead and hop into it. Starting out with the BRAVIA 7, and what makes this TV special versus some other aesthetic options in the industry is that it is a mini LED backlit system. And this can help out with not only your regular TV content that you are going to be viewing, but it can also help out with the faithful recreation of the artistic intent when it comes down to canvas or maybe getting some brush strokes to showcase a little bit more noticeably in the artwork you are trying to display. The BRAVIA 7 uses our renowned XR processor to make sure that those shades of that artwork is coming through as the artist intended. The BRAVIA 7 has also expanded from 55 all the way up to 85 inch with a 10-inch class in between. All of these features make the BRAVIA 7 a great fit for your clients if they're looking to integrate a great picture quality TV alongside a great aesthetically looking TV. Shifting over to the Leon frame, let's chat about some of the differences between the last iteration and this iteration. The same four colors will be making a comeback. We have white, black, oak, and walnut, and all of these will be offered across each size. We have also doubled the amount of artwork that is available from 70 pieces of art all the way to 150. No subscription required, and best part is clients can add their own artwork, or a dealer can partner with the local artist, potentially working with them on commercial rights to have shopping with them a huge benefit in having that artist's artwork uploaded onto their TVs. Through the software, installers can apply any type of matte that they would like to apply to any piece of artwork and also change the prominence of the matte depending on the artist's intent. We can also ensure that that matte is symmetrical all the way around, where our last iteration had thicker borders on the left and right. On top of all these great features, we now have the ability to update the app through the network in case we want to roll any features out down the road. We have also removed the dovetails from the hardware installation on the corners of the Leon frame and now are just using corner braces, which should help with getting the corner seams a lot tighter. And last but certainly not least, let's say you are not getting this frame on a control system and the IR power command still has to make it to the TV. We are including an IR receiver in every Leon frame purchase. Those are the key differences between the X93L and the BRAVIA 7 with the Leon frame. And of course, if you have any questions at all, please leave them in the comments below or reach out to your local Sony account manager. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one.